Hi, so welcome to the day 5 of the 21-day self-esteem series that I'm doing. Today happens to be the day 5, and today we are going to focus upon how to accept ourselves. So yesterday was all about, fear of judgment, या फिर you can call it social anxiety. So yesterday we specifically talked about one segment of having unhealthy self-esteem, which is uh, feeling uncomfortable in a social setting. So yesterday we explored social anxiety, and we also explored fear of judgment, which was at the root cause of having social anxiety as a result of it. So we went. I think it was actually an in-depth video on fear of judgment. Why we have that judgment? क्यों होता है? Why is it that somebody has that fear of judgment? As a result, they feel very anxious in a social setting. They feel uncomfortable. They are unable to be themselves. While some other person who has a healthy self-esteem never doesn't feel that way. They don't have that fear of judgment. So we went into the depth of it, what causes it, what uh, you know what leads to these two people having different kind of personalities, or the way they are, the way they think. And by the end of the yesterday's video, we came to the solution part, which was acceptance of yourself. So to actually uh, ease your fear of judgment, or to actually become you know uh, to actually come to a place where you feel very comfortable in a social setting, where where meeting new people is not a very big deal, or you feel comfortable in your skin. So to be there, the thing that we discussed that you need to practice is acceptance. So, and I left the video there, acceptance, because I knew that acceptance is in itself is a very long topic, how to accept yourself. So today is going to be all about how can you accept yourself. Because honestly speaking, कि जो term है या फिर this thing कि how do you accept yourself, I think all of us know कि हाँ acceptance ज़रूरी होता है. It's a very important part of, I think, entire personal growth कह लो या फिर self healing journey. Acceptance of the self is very important, we all know it. But rarely do we talk about the part how. I think uh, how is something that we all struggle with. हम सबको पता है कि करना चाहिए, and but at the same time we're not able to, because no, there's a gap between them. So today the intention of this video is going to be to fill that gap, so that you know what exactly to do. Because to accept yourself is very intangible thing. It is not something, it's not an action thing जो आप कर लोगे तुरंत. Like one is saying कि wake up at 6 a.m. that is going to make you more disciplined, or that is going to make you feel more energized. Now that is an action thing, that is a very tangible thing. You can wake up and you will know कि हाँ, could I do it? Did I fail at it, or I could do it? But when it comes to acceptance, it is an intangible thing. It is something that is very intrinsic. It happens to you. It's kind of a feeling or a sense of foundation in you that only you will know. So उसका कोई, there is no proof कि हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, because you do not know how to do it. So it's very intangible thing, and that is why the how part becomes very difficult. But in today's video, I'm going to help you with exactly that. It's about how do you actually accept yourself. So we'll just start. So first of all, let's understand what is self-acceptance. And to do this, let's understand what self-acceptance is not. So now, usually what happens is, uh, usually, a lot of us haven't accepted ourselves. We do not accept ourselves, all right? Let's go that way, because, let's say we have an unhealthy self-esteem. तो अभी मेरे अंदर self-acceptance नहीं है. तो what is there? So अभी क्या है कि I have a lot of insecurities. How I look at myself is, मेरी आइडेंटिटी कैसी है, द काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ इमेज दैट आई होल्ड अबाउट माई सेल्फ इज कि यू नो व्हाट, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लॉज. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जिसमें मुझे वर्क करनी है. देयर आर सो मेनी इनसिक्योरिटीज. ओ आई विश आई विश आई कुड स्पीक बेटर. आई विश आई कुड, आई विश आई हैड अ मच कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सनैलिटी. या फिर आई विश आई लुक्ड, यू नो आई लुक्ड मोर ब्यूटीफुल. या फिर आई विश आई डिड नॉट लुक दिस वे. मतलब बहुत सारी इनसिक्योरिटीज और फ्लॉज को लेकर हम डील कर रहे होते हैं. तो अभी क्या है, बहुत डिनाइल है, रिजेक्शन है, एंड all of these things जो हम खुद को लेकर we rejected. We, so opposite of acceptance is to desire, not desire, but being desperate about having something, like कि इसकी जगह ये होना चाहिए. Instead of being this way, I want to be that way. And this gives birth to desperation. फिर क्या होता है, see there also we want this, here also we want to change desperately. अब हमारे insecurities और flaws है, but we have a very strong desire कि I want to change. And desperation comes in. और जब desperation आता है, तो trust me, the process, entire process, it becomes a very very difficult journey which often doesn't lead you to the destination. और अगर आप destination पे पहुंच भी जाते हो, the process is so difficult और इतने इतना रेसिस्टेंसफुल प्रोसेस था, इतने आई मीन I mean the entire process was so hard, and you actually covered this entire process this way by being harsh on your own self. बहुत ही I mean harsh होकर, बहुत strict rules बनाकर, wherein you know that it is not actually sustainable. So even if you reach the destination, even if you're able to improve upon something, or maybe lose weight, or achieve a kind of the type of body that you wanted, you will eventually lose it because it will feel very difficult to keep it, क्योंकि वहां तक का process was not good. I mean there's you don't feel मतलब process अच्छा नहीं था, so you're not going to keep up with it. So at present this is what happens, desperation आ जाता है, insecurity होती है, flaws होती है, and this is not self acceptance, this is not acceptance. And a lot of people have a myth कि अगर acceptance हो जाएगा तो that means कि I'm comfortable with what I have, and that would mean कि this is what I'm going to have my entire life. I mean that will become a forever thing for myself. This is so not true. Self acceptance का मतलब ये नहीं है कि you cannot improve, या फिर you will not change, या फिर you will not transform. All of these things will happen. Instead, these things will happen from a place of love, compassion for yourself, which will actually give you long lasting results, which will actually make your transformation permanent, and a beautiful one, real transformation that is not superficial, transformation that is not necessarily visible to other people कि wow she looks so beautiful, या फिर उनकी body देखो कितनी change होगी, but transformation that comes from you, that makes you feel more beautiful. So the feeling part is there. You start to feel first, I mean your identity changes first, and when your identity changes, वो जो बाहर का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है, a transformation that is visible to other people also, it remains there. And honestly it stops affecting you कि दूसरे लोग मुझे कैसे देख रहे हैं, because then the transformation belongs to you, because you walk that path, you know it. So that's this myth कि अगर सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस हो जाएगा तो इट मीन्स कि मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी ही रहूंगी, आई वोंट बी एबल टू चेंज. ऐसा नहीं है. इनफैक्ट फॉर ट्रू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टू हैपन, सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस नीड्स टू हैपन, बिकॉज a real or true transformation only happens when you approach the process through love, with love and compassion and kindness. Now let's come to what is self acceptance. As the word says, self acceptance, acceptance just means acknowledging, saying yes, or seeing the truth, not running away from it. And it includes seeing your insecurities, flaws, failures, all your weak points. It's saying yes to it, that okay, you know what, I see it, okay, I have this thing. It's accepting yourself. And honestly, when you do this, when this acceptance happens to you, or that you जो trigger होता है, trigger I think when it comes to being triggered, it's actually about our insecurities and flaws that we are unable to accept. जब somebody else's talk about it, somebody else pokes on it, or just talks about it, or focus on it, I think we feel triggered, we get the trigger. But the moment we accept ourselves, ये trigger वाला point भी चला जाता है. It stops. I mean, we stop feeling so triggered, because now we also realize that okay, I know this thing. It doesn't mean I don't mean to say कि you are open to receiving criticism or let people make fun of you. Not like that, but the internal trigger that used to happen. Because अभी क्या होता है? There's something that we are very desperate to change in ourselves. Somebody comes and they just comment on it. ट्रिगर अंदर से होता है. Maybe we are not showing it outside, maybe we are just saying okay, or maybe we are just letting it go, but internally we get affected so much that we end up thinking about that thing for I think around maybe 1 or 2 days. So it consumes so much of our energy. But when self acceptance happens, what happens is that somebody comes and talks, maybe they comment on your body, but now you accept yourself, so अंदर से trigger नहीं होगा. In fact, you might be able to just you know like not react to them, but respond to them in a very healthy manner that you suit. So therein it won't be that you react to them, but it would come from a place of very neutral, because now you accept yourself. So self acceptance in simple terms means accepting yourself completely, with your flaws, insecurities, strengths, everything. I do not mean that self acceptance means बस अपने weak points या फिर बस अपने weaknesses को ही देखना है. No, you have strengths also. There are things you're good at, but that is one thing that happens. So when you have a very distorted self image, chances are कि you never see or acknowledge your any strength, or good qualities that you have. So that is one thing that happens. Maybe I would take it up in another video. So coming back to today's topic, so what is self acceptance? Acceptance is to accept yourself as you are right now. And from here, once you accept yourself, you can always work on to change, to transform, to improve everything. All of that can happen. But self acceptance is to come back to your body and say that this is who I am. Okay, and this is who I am, and this is the truth. I I mean, I choose to not reject myself or not reject any part about myself. That is self acceptance in simple terms. Now, coming to the main thing, how to accept yourself. As I talked about, because now self acceptance is an intangible thing. So, uh, how to accept yourself. So ऐसा नहीं है कि there are pointers कि ये करो ये करो ये करो and you're done. So there's no steps, in particular order. But here is not a theory, but here is something that I have to say about how do you accept yourself. So see, at the end of the day, accepting yourself comes down to a decision. So it is a decision that you make, that do I accept myself or do I not accept myself? Now, at present, what happens when you're unable to accept yourself is this decision feels very hard to you. You're unable to make this decision of accepting myself. Now, what makes this decision hard for you? Why is it so hard for you to really, really believe and choose that, I accept myself or I choose to accept myself? So, what makes this decision hard for you is two things. See, we don't accept ourselves first when we genuinely believe that I'm not worthy of being accepted. All right, when I'm not willing to accept myself. I'm not willing to look at myself and acknowledge it and say yes to it and really stay with it. First is that, and second is when we hold a lot of grudges against ourselves. So it's like हमें खुद की we have a lot of negative, you can say, or hateful, emotions or feelings against ourselves. हमारा we have a lot of grudges against ourselves. हमारा खुद से ही कहते हैं ना relationship, as I talked about, that my work involves a lot about how your relationship with yourself is. So that is what happens here. So we are unable to accept ourselves because हमारा relationship हमारे साथ, the feelings that we have about ourselves, it's not good. So first is we don't think कि I'm worthy of being accepted. Second thing is कि there is a lot of, unresolved or unprocessed negative feelings against ourselves. So a relationship अच्छा नहीं है. So how do you accept yourself? How would you accept yourself? So these two things are happening. So right now there's a lot standing between you and this decision to accept yourself. And now let's learn about how do you cover this gap. So two things that you need to do to actually come to a place where you can choose acceptance for yourself. First, understanding yourself. Now when I say understanding yourself, सुनने में बहुत ही simple लगता है understanding yourself, but let's explore understanding yourself in depth today. See, बहुत बार क्या होता है, and again as I said कि unhealthy self-esteem, having an unhealthy or toxic relationship with your own self or lack of self-love, these are all correlated, and all of these, ये सब चीज़ें जब होती हैं तो it's all rooted in having a childhood where you did not feel loved enough or accepted enough या फिर or safe enough. All right, so let's keep this in mind. So अब क्या होता है, so when you grow up in this way, so when you've had such a childhood, growing up, what happens is कि you develop a lot of ideas about yourself which are not healthy. So आपके खुद को लेकर ideas, the way you see yourself becomes very distorted, becomes very toxic. अब क्या होता है ना, when you're a child, when you're not loved, maybe it could be from anybody, it could be your peers also, when you feel unaccepted from your peers, or when it's parents, especially the relationship between you and your parents. So when you do not feel loved from your parents, your mind does not tell you ki, your mind would always turn towards you कि I must not be worthy enough, I must not be important enough. तो अब क्या होता है कि ना, you turn against yourself, you also blame yourself कि शायद मेरे में ही कुछ कमी होगी, maybe I'm not worthy of it, maybe I'm not important enough for them to give me time, for them to pay attention to me, for them to listen to me. So you always turn against yourself because all other people, your peers, parents, they are good people. So this is how a child sees the world. They're ready to accept anything. Okay, so this is how it's done. So this is what happened. So अब क्या होता है, so growing up you are always turning against yourself. तो blame किसी को करना है तो मैं खुद को करूँगा. इससे क्या होता है, as you grow up in such an environment, or when this is how you grew up, you separate from yourself. हम खुद से ही एक unhealthy relationship maintain कर लेते हैं. The self talk that we develop, it's not a healthy one. It's rather something that we use to criticize ourselves. We use to a self talk, an inner voice that judges us, criticizes us. ये सब होता है. So and when we finally grow up like this way, as an adult, we 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 definitely lack understanding of ourselves, so we judge ourselves. Judgment एक होता है, we start to see ourselves from other lenses. हमें खुद को ही लेकर बहुत ही नेगेटिव या फिर बहुत ही अनहेल्पफुल थॉट्स होते हैं सॉरी, हमें खुद को लेकर ही बहुत ही अनहेल्पफुल थॉट्स होते हैं. अब यहाँ पे हमारे जो वो है ना, अंडरस्टैंडिंग योरसेल्फ वी लैक देयर. वी स्टार्ट टू लुक एट आवरसेल्फ फ्रॉम अदर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. अगर सपोज आई एम अ पर्सन हु इज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इन देमसेल्फ नाउ, ठीक है, अब मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ इतना, मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है. नाउ I know this thing, and maybe other people comment on me that, you know what, you don't look very confident today, or why do you feel so underconfident, या फिर what's the problem. अब क्या होता है, instead of understanding myself, instead of asking myself questions, supportive questions or interrogative questions, so that I can go into the depth of it, I blame myself. Why am I so underconfident? मतलब दूसरे तो सिर्फ क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, दे आर जस्ट कमेंटिंग, बट हियर आई एम क्रिटिसाइजिंग माई सेल्फ, हियर आई एम ब्लेमिंग माई सेल्फ. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग आती है. सी, अब यहाँ पे मैंने इसे अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर सेल्फ, व्हाट डू आई मीन. सी, other people can judge you, all right, because who are they are just spectators of your life. They just get to witness your life for maybe 1 hour, half an hour, some people for 2-3 minutes. And so you encounter people for a very small time in your life, and they just comment on you something, but you are the one who has lived your life. So it be it 20, 30 or 40 or 50, you are the one who have lived your life. So them judging you is, that's not a big question, but the problem starts when you also begin to question yourself, and that happens when you refuse to look at your story, when you refuse to look at the kind of life that you've lived, when you refuse to look at yourself from your own eyes, from your own lens, because in reality you know your story, you know yourself. So if you are somebody who feels very underconfident, or who doesn't feel that who doesn't have confidence in them for whatever reason, I want you to look at yourself from your own lens. You will know why you feel underconfident. You will know what makes you feel so scared. You will know what haunts you so much. What thoughts inside your mind are so wild or so scary that you feel underconfident as a result of it. So I want you to look at yourself from your own lens. I want you to stop seeing yourself from other POVs. Get back into your body. Step into your body. Look at your past. Look at the memories that are still stuck in your mind, which actually makes you feel scared of talking, initiating conversations, of just being yourself in front of people. So understanding yourself means, no matter what the world says about you, no matter what they talk about you, comment on you, instead of blaming yourself, instead of just taking that all in, I want you to ask yourself, why am I this way? And then you will find the answers. Reflect on your life. Look at your past versions with compassion and kindness, because if you don't, nobody else will, and you will keep suffering from within always. It's your life, you have lived it. Nobody else knows how you felt growing up. Nobody else knows the pain you went through, or how alone, or how helpless you felt, but you know. And if instead, even after knowing all of this, you choose to overlook it, you choose to ignore yourself, then sorry, but nobody can help you. All the works, all the tips to become confident, nothing is going to work. Number one thing that you need to do is to understand yourself, and that is the basis of offering yourself the love and compassion. Okay, so that is what I mean when I say understanding yourself. So first is, this needs to happen. So to have acceptance, two factors, as I said, two things needs to be done. First is understanding yourself. So instead of judging yourself, understanding yourself, looking at your story, acknowledging it, okay, this is what happened, and that is why I'm this way. Instead of just blaming, kyun ho, oh, I wish I could be like them, oh, I wish this could be like that. No, this is you. There was the story, and now you have a choice how you want it to be for your next years or coming years. So be here, come back to the reality. Second thing that needs to happen is, you need to forgive yourself. And when I say forgive yourself, it basically revolves about, again, releasing all the toxic hatred, negative feelings that you have against yourself. और होता है, हमें realize नहीं होता है, but होता है. And a beautiful exercise to do that will help you understand कि what are the feelings that I have about myself is, go and stand in front of your mirror, look into your eyes. Or you can also do is just close your eyes, imagine yourself standing in front of you, notice what feelings come up for you. How do you feel about them? What are the judges? किस चीज से लेकर नफरत है आपको उससे? Why don't you like that person ahead, standing in front of you? All those feelings, you, all those feelings, that you feel, they are inside you. And as long as you keep feeling hatred या फिर कुछ negative, या फिर as long as you do not like the person standing in front of you, which is actually you, acceptance will not happen. Because acceptance कोई fake करने वाली चीज नहीं है कि मैंने बोल दिया कि हाँ I accept myself and I'm convincing myself to believe कि हाँ I तो accept myself. ऐसा नहीं है. Accepting yourself, when you take that decision and when it really happens, you will know, you will feel an internal shift, and that will start to reflect in your choices and the way your outer reality is. The second thing that needs to happen is forgiveness. Forgiveness, as in maybe just accepting the feelings also, that I'm feeling this way. Let's accept it. It's like processing those feelings. And overall, the main theme is to 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 turn to yourself, to sit with yourself, to make peace with who you are. And when these two things happen, when you forgive yourself, when you understand yourself, both of these club together, acceptance will become much, much easier for you. This decision to accept yourself will become easier for you. And it is not something that will happen in a flip, or in a, click, or things will just suddenly change. Acceptance comes to you, it sits with you. So it happens it happens gradually. And then one day you look back and you realize that, okay, the way I look at myself now, the way I understand myself now, the way I accept myself for who I am unapologetically, is so much different than how I used to be. So you realize your transformations when you look back. So don't be desperate while doing all of these things. Kab hoga acceptance, kab hoga acceptance. Acceptance, it's like it seeps into your energy, it seeps into your body slowly with time, gradually. It's an inner shift, it's an inner work. Okay, so next is, what are some things that you can do to accept yourself? So first is, what are some steps that would help you do these things? First is, learn to sit with your feelings and reflect on them. And when I say, it's about taking out time for your own self, instead of just running to Google and googling things like, how do I become more confident and all of those things. Trust me, answers are not out there. No matter how many videos you consume, unless you take out time to sit with your own self, to reflect on your own feelings कि क्या है क्यों है, to sit in that silence with your own self, things are, that internal change or internal transformation, that internal shift is not going to start, it's not going to happen. So learn this as a thing, to sit with yourself, to sit with your feelings, to reflect on all of those things, to reflect on your thoughts that are coming up. Second is, acknowledge your story. And when I say acknowledge your story, what I mean is that, as a child, our brain is actually not fully developed. So we take up everything about ourselves. We make everything about ourselves. कि मेरी ही गलती होगी. Maybe I'm not worthy enough. We take everything on ourselves. But as an adult, now you have the capacity to really see things for what they were. So जिन भी चीज़ों के लिए आप अपने आप को blame करते हो, जिन भी चीज़ों के लिए you consider yourself, you know, जिस भी चीज़ों के लिए सोचते हो कि मेरी गलती थी, I want you to really reflect on those things, because now you will have the ability to see the things for what they were, that you were not at fault. It's not about blaming other person also कि उनकी गलती थी, why they were so harsh on me, but rather choosing compassion for your own self, कि जो हुआ हुआ, it was not my fault. So now today I choose something different for myself, for something different for that version of mine. कि अगर मेरा बस चलता तो I would say that little version of mine never deserved it. I would happily, willingly take that version of mine away from that situation today if I have the will. That is compassion. Okay, that is acknowledging your story, and that is what exactly is understanding yourself. And most importantly, take your responsibility. A very important factor, because a lot of times what happens is जब हमारा self esteem unhealthy होता है, it's very very tempting and very easy to fall or feel like a victim. And when I say victim, I do not mean in a criticizing way or in a disempowered way. See, we all fall into that lapse of feeling victim sometimes, but make sure that you're not buying into that victimhood for long enough. I mean, See, कभी कभी हो जाता है. Sometimes when we feel helpless, situations in life are so out of control, we start to feel victim. But make sure that your unhealthy self-esteem is not making you feel like a victim, like a constant thing. Because you're not a victim at the end of the day. Back then, as a child, nobody has right over what happens to them or what kind of environment they grow up into. Nobody had. Neither the person who has a healthy self-esteem chose it for themselves. So accept it as life. But now you have the power. So take your responsibility. And taking responsibility, how it looks would be to choose for yourself. Like here, to choose acceptance for yourself, like choosing acceptance for yourself. All right. Okay. And one thing that would help you in this process of accepting yourself is uh, rate your self acceptance. So as I said, accepting yourself is an intangible thing. So ऐसा नहीं है कि you will realize कि हाँ acceptance हो गया फिर नहीं. So rate your self acceptance. So right now it could be that, you know what, from a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being worst and 10 being best, I think my self acceptance stands somewhere at 4. All right, just rate it. And then how progress would look like is to go from 4 to 5, then from 5 to 6, then from 6 to 8, and then maybe like this. So having this one, once you rate it, it becomes kind of, measurable. You are able to see कि how much self acceptance have I achieved, या फिर मुझे क्या feel हो रहा है, and how would you rate it on the basis of how you feel, on the basis of how differently you feel towards yourself now. Okay, and yeah, so all these things, self acceptance, self love, these are very intrinsic inner work. Inner work. It involves your inner work. It involves you to reflect on your feelings. It involves a lot of turning towards your own self instead of looking outside, instead of just engaging with the outside world. It asks you to take out time for yourself, to sit with yourself and with your feelings. So this was all about it I wanted to say about accepting yourself. And it's a very, I think the concept of looking at accepting yourself as a decision, it's a very beautiful thing because it empowers you with a choice. It makes you sit at the, you know, at the at the throne where you get to choose for yourself. So I think looking at self-acceptance this way has really helped me, and I really love this idea. So if you know somebody who is struggling with accepting themselves and who struggles with confidence and all of this, and you believe that okay, acceptance is going to help them, you can share it with them. And I also have a community of my own, WhatsApp community of my own. If you want to join it, I will give the link in the description. You can join the group. And yes, so I do offer one-on-one clarity calls also. If you want to book a call, you can book it. You will find the link in the about section of the same community, self-love space. So tomorrow will be the day 6, and I will come up with another topic, another depth. And if there is a topic, if there is something that you want me to cover that you're struggling with, or that you would want me to cover, you can always DM me on WhatsApp. I will consider it. All right. So I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.